Hey everyone, if you're looking to buy the Amaran 200XS or you're interested to know what it comes with, this video is for you. Today I'm going to give you my first impressions. I've never bought one of these before. I've never purchased a professional work light. I'm using, you can see here, a Ego powered battery light for all my videos, and so I really wanted to try to step up the game. And if that's something that you're also trying to do with your content creation, this is a great video for that. I hope you enjoy. Oh, I'm so stoked. The Amaran 200XS. Let's check it out. My God. A large amount of foam. Looks like some silica gel. Ooh, some sticks. I hope you're not overexposed. Oh, I didn't know they come with those. It's like a cable, like a iron cable. That's really cool. I've never seen that before. Cool, yeah, this is the power supply. I think this is the XLR power supply, which I didn't know XLR was also for lights. I thought it was just for mics and stuff. And here's the bad boy or bad lady itself. That's solid, that's how that came. Sweet. And look at that. I think that is so cool. It feels solid. It does feel plasticky, but it doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It feels like solid plastic.
Yeah, that's what plastic is. Dumbass.
Bowens mount here. I don't know how these work. Push this button and it allows you to turn it. Release. Then you can do the same thing reverse to lock it in. That's cool. I really like the handle. That feels solid. Oh, there's like a heat sink in here. All right, this stuff is quality, man. Power cord. There it is. That is at its brightest setting, at the warmest color. All right, let's go to 4,000. What's at 4,000? Bring that back down. Was it 200 before? That's pretty cool. And this is the only light on in the room. And if I turn this off, you'll see how dark it is. There is some light being assisted from these two. But that's a pretty good amount of light. I'll be honest, I thought it would be brighter, but you know, I don't want anyone to feel like I'm complaining. I've never bought one of these before, so. Let's go to the bluest or coolest color. That looks pretty cool. That's a very dramatic look. Actually, this would be more dramatic, wouldn't it? This would be moody. I guess that's why lighting is cool. And that is why the bicolor light is way worth it, because if you're creating content and you're creating some sort of videography, film or whatnot, whatever the hell word I want to use, it just allows you to change the mood. Let's go to 50. Okay, bring this back down to 200. Okay, so 50% is still good. And now keep in mind, you may not be using the spotlight, you may be using like a softbox or something. So that is all she wrote. I do actually like the fact that this clips on, has like a positive lock. So when you attach the power cable, this lock here is pretty cool. I like how it affirms the lock. And the same thing happens on the power cable here, which I thought was really interesting. I've never seen that before in a product. Well, that was it. I hope that was useful. It's pretty cool.